At a time when our country is facing a number of challenges, part of them is commonly known as the triple challenges that you know: inequality, unemployment, and poverty. And the question is, where are we? Where do we locate our education in the entire, or in these difficult questions? I'm raising it because, as we are seated here, Motheo is an economic hub of the Free State, which I believe is not supposed to be so. My apology to all my economics teachers will like. I'm very much convinced they will agree with me, because I know economic activities. It's unfortunate, Majoro Ntatisi, that Mangaung is left with the responsibility of carrying the economy of the province. It's unfortunate, because the strength and our endowments as the province are not in Mangaung. What does that mean? That means that it poses a challenge that as a province, we are more challenged. We need to do more to ensure that we optimize on our endowments and our abilities, which are located elsewhere. And we know what are those, which is agriculture and all of those mineral resources which we have. It can be correct that a rich province like the Free State, it's still one of those which are the highest in unemployment. We got to do something. And the unfortunate part, or the fortunate part of being a young person, is that we don't believe in maintaining the status quo. And one thing that characterized our relationship with my predecessor when I was in the economy, we used to differ on many things every day. The only issue we used to agree on is the relationship between education and economy. And we used to agree that if we don't find a proper coordination and a